Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Tyler here again today. If it's your first time on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to put your notification on so as to get notified whenever I drop a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys real quick on how to offer your services online and the best platforms, the best 4 platforms where you can offer your services as a freelancer. So let's get right into the video. Um, Platform number one, we have the platform we call the freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a platform where you can offer the services. What are the services which you can offer online? We have website design, we have web development, we have web revamp, we have store design, Shopify store design, ebook creation, you know Facebook advertisements, setup, video ads. We have several jobs of which you can offer on these platforms. So here, this is how it works. You just click on I want to work now. Like if we are on this platform to hire, then you can click on the hire. But here I'm teaching you guys on how to work on this platform. So you just click on I want to work now. So I want to work. They're gonna bring a sign up page where you can sign up and become the part of this platform. Then you start offering your services on their platform. So here you're just gonna sign up either using your Facebook or putting your address and your password to sign up. So that's how it works. So let me show you some stuff real quick. Okay, now browse jobs. So let's click through their browse jobs and see some stuff here. So as you can see, conversion of PDF into MS Word. That is a job offered by people online. Now I would like to have a special PDF file converted into Word. Now this person is giving this project out within the range of $166 to $494. So this is a good price. And then if you are good in this aspect, you just bid for the job, and luckily you could get the job from the the buyer. So there are several projects that can be done on this platform. You just have to be skilled. If you are a skilled person, then you need to register on this platform. Then platform number 2, we call it Express City. Okay, expresscity.com. So on this platform, it's also a freelance website platform where you can offer your services. Okay, on the dashboard we have graphic design. If you are good on graphic design, you can just register on this platform. Programming and tech, video and audio, digital marketing, business, writing and translation, online classes, lifestyle, others. You can actually offer those services. If you are good in designing, logo, cartoon image stuff, then you can go for the graphic design. If you are good in website design, Shopify store creation, website store creation stuff, you can go for programming and tech. If you are good in creating of videos, creating of audios, video art for products, you can go for video and audio. If you are good in digital marketing like Facebook ad, like email automation, email website, email marketing stuff, then you can go for the digital marketing. Guys, we have a lot of work you can perform on this platform. So I have an account with this platform. Definitely I have an account with this platform. I'm just gonna click on the sign in, and I just get myself signed in, and you can see the dashboard of this platform. So I'm gonna get right in. So this is how the platform looks like. So then you can offer your services on this platform. Okay, platform number 3, we have Fiverr.com. On this platform, you can offer various services on this platform, like digital marketing, website design, graphic design, just more like expresscity.com. So I have an account with this platform, definitely. So this is it, and as you can see, I have an active order of $50 on this platform. Active order of $50 on this platform. So yeah, to get enough money from this platform, you can earn a lot money from this platform. You just need to have a skill, and when you have a skill, you can come on this platform, then register, you start promoting yourself, and you get hired for the skill which you acquire. So let's get to the last but not the least, which is upwork.com. Upwork, yeah. So on this platform, it's more like freelance websites, more like Expressity, more like Fiverr. It's also a freelance website which you can, as you can see on the dashboard, we have web design, mobile design, we have design writing, admin support stuff. So we have a lot of jobs that can be offered on this website. If you are good in website design, right, you can come. If you are good in blog design, right, if you are good in mobile app development, if you are good in design writing and marketing, you can get on these platforms, you register and you get signed up, and that's it. You start promoting yourself and you could get hired as soon as possible. Luckily for you, how it works: post a job with fee, bids comes to you, collaborate, and payment simplified. So these are how you can earn on this platform. But one thing I would like you guys to know is, on Upwork and freelance websites, before you can offer your services on these platforms, you have to purchase a plan. Hope you get that. You have to purchase a plan, and as a person which you don't have any funds to purchase a plan, you are starting from scratch, you don't have money to purchase a plan, then I will advise you to go for Expressity or Fiverr. Now on Fiverr, you don't have to purchase a plan to offer services on this platform, but and on Expressity, you don't have to purchase a plan to offer services on this platform. It's pretty free. But on freelance and Upwork, you have to purchase. So if you are just a starter from scratch, I'll advise you to go for Expressity or Fiverr. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm sure you guys have learned from this video. I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel if you haven't.